One of the things I get asked all the time is what my window manager is. I get that. I don't know what this is about people. People obsess about window managers and distros and stuff. It's fine. People are just making conversation. Rarely they're judging you based on your choices. To me, it doesn't matter. My window manager is TMUX. And do I use a status bar? I use my TMUX status bar. So as you can see right now, everything that you see on the screen is TMUX. This is a full screen GNOME terminal that came with Pop! OS as my distro. And I have got a TMUX within a TMUX. This stuff down here is all WeChat. This down here is my status bar. This is a status update, my Pomodoro Timer, my TMUX configuration, which we're going to be covering in other videos, so stay tuned. And then here's my title down here. You can't see it, but and then up here you can see this is up here. This is a Vim session, and up here you can see that I have another TMUX status bar. That's because I have a TMUX within a TMUX. And stay tuned. I'll show you how to do that safely. So that you can actually have two status bars, or you can split your screen and do all kinds of crazy, amazing things with this. So by using, what's that? Can you use it to preview CPU usage and other things? Absolutely. I can do all of that from the command line. If I wanted to put CPU utilization or anything I wanted to, I could put it in my terminal, in my status bars of different types. So I can put it up here, or I could make a pane. I can do this, so I can split a pane over here. See how easily I just split that pane in half? That's pane management. And then if I want a new window, Control C. Let me turn my S keys on so you can see everything. But as you can see, I can go back and forth, screen and set up multiplexers. I can split this guy some more. I can make T matrix here run. I can put the fish in another terminal. The point being that I have absolute immediate control over all of my windows and panes. People continually say, you need to learn i3, you're learning blah, blah, blah. And I say, no, I don't need any of that. All I need is TMUX, because TMUX gets you everything you need. I do everything from the terminal anyway, so there's no need for me to do anything besides that. It does manage my windows. It manages my real estate. It manages my panes. It allows me to do, I can do HTOP over here if I want to have that thing. Sometimes in another window, I'll run my other thing. And by the way, all of the bindings that I have here are also completely transferable, right? So it's like configuration, centralized, and portable in a single file. So, your TMUX config, if I'm doing, like, I don't know, I'm planning on doing the Kubernetes certification, and I know that they have TMUX, so the odds are I can take my tmux.conf file, stick it on the system along with my bash RC and my vim RC, and I'm good to go. I don't care. Could I install i3 on there? No. Could I, change my Linux distro? No. Let's say that I want to just run a Docker container. So, let's say I'm going to run it like default Docker container, Docker run it, let's like run an Ubuntu container, right? --rm. And let's give it a name. Let's do Debian. And what should we call it? How do you do name? Is it N? I think it is something. I don't remember. So, failure to create because -n expletive not found. Oh wait, I think it's -n something. So Debian. Is it -t? -t is the name. I thought it was -n. Is it -t? What is it, people? I think it's -n name. I know there's a shortcut. Okay, so here we go. We're on here, right? So now I can I have my host here, and it didn't seem to work. So we'll just go ahead and use this. So let's say I want to put my TMUX config over, or I want to put my TMUX config. So Docker copy this .tmux.conf, and I want to put it on this. Yeah. No such directory. What am I talking about? Docker copy. Oh wait, where is my TMUX file? Did I put it someplace else? Oh, there it is. tmux.conf to. Am I doing it wrong? What am I doing wrong? I think I have to put / there. Yeah, there we go. So now it's here. So over here, I don't have TMUX. Sudo apt update. Damn it. Apt update. apt install TMUX. Yes, I want to install TMUX. Let's see how fast this goes. I start TMUX over here, and it didn't pull up my thing yet, so let's see if it's still there. Is it there? Yep, there it is. So where's my home directory? Root. Oh, okay, here we go. Move slash tmux.conf to dot. And now tmux. Oopsie. Get out of that. tmux. And it should pick it up. Doesn't look like it is. It's not picking it up. Let me see if I can do it. tmux. What is it? Dash C. I don't remember what it is. I didn't plan this. So, what are you talking about? Oh, there's no man page? Shit. All right, so TMUX, is it dash C dot tmux.com? The point is, you can use TMUX on there. Even if I can't get it, you get what I'm saying. This is file directory. What are we talking about? Oh, there we go. Set that show. Yeah, I know you didn't think you were going to get to see me Docker fail this whole time, did you? This is file directory. What the? Oh wait. Sachet. I don't know. I see it right there. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. I wanted to load my TMUX and it's not loading it. Come on, load my TMUX. Please load it. Okay. Well, it's loading something. It's loading something. I don't think that's the right thing, but it's loading something. The point is, you can take your configuration with you, and you can change it up, and just copy it between Docker containers and stuff like that. I don't know. Here, let's try this. Man Docker. Let's. I only have 2 minutes left, so let's try this. Man TMUX. Wait, we're gonna go into the TMUX conf right after this. So, man TMUX. Let me go see if I can look up the conf. No, dash C is the shell command. Of course, silly me. Silly me. Where's the configuration file? By default, TMUX was a configuration file from etctmux.conf. It looks for a user configuration file at tilde. Does that mean because there's no user over here? Is that why? Because it looks like there's one there. Okay, let's do this. Add user you password you yes you yes. All right, su-u copy root.tmux.conf to here. Permission denied. Arg. All right. Well, let's try this. Schmod plus R. It doesn't have sudo built in. I have to install sudo. Yeah. So that's why I'm not doing it. I know. This is what you get when you get bare band container. I actually have configured containers, but you get the point. Cannot operate on a dangling symlink. How are you a symlink? You're not a symlink. All right, fine. I'm gonna change this. Let's do this. Yep, let's do this. Give me my copy. I'm gonna copy it to /home/u. How about that? And now we can do it. Exit tmux. Damn it. Oh wait, su-u tmux. Still isn't getting it. I don't understand why. Make it go away. Wait, did it? Am I using the right tmux file even? You guys like it when I screw up anyway, don't you? I mean, that's your favorite thing to watch. No VI. I could use Ed's not even on here. Is Ed on here? I think it is. Damn it. Damn, not even Ed. I didn't symlink it though. You saw that, right? Did you see that? I did not symlink it. So apt vim minimal. I don't need the rest. Is it Vim's tiny? Is it Vim tiny? Yeah, that's it. Okay, I couldn't remember. The symlink came from the host. U ls-j. Oh, you guys finally cracked it for me. I feel so silly. Of course it did. It's like trying to link to things that don't exist. I'm 14 seconds over. Can I do it? Pomo, just shut up for a second, okay? Okay, Pomo, thank you. All right, so cd into dot files. All right, let's do this. So copy, go into the TMUX, Doctor. Yeah. Thank you. You guys cracked it. It's more fun that way when I screw up, right? And you can the perils of using symbolic links. All right. So Docker copy.tmux.conf to this thing, whatever this is. I didn't take my name because I got the command wrong. Because look, I can't remember shit. That's just how I am. All right, so then we do :/home/u, and I have a better feeling about this. I just do. I just have a better feeling. ls-l, ls-la. Oh god, ls-l. TMUX. Huzzah! There's my TMUX that I know and love. It's got my own things here. It's got all my bindings. It can turn my clock on. Where's the clock? No, there's my refresh thingy. Anyway, as you can see, you get your TMUX. And yes, I had problems because other reasons, not because it was hard to get TMUX over there. So hopefully hopefully that can make the case for you to consider using a window manager that's just TMUX. And you know, you can put it on anything. And put it on anything. So let's just review configuration, centralized and portable in a single file. You can put it on anything. Can be configured to behave like a screen, which has come on every system since the dawn of time. It's extremely powerful. I cannot even begin to tell you how powerful it is. Powerful and configurable, even if you don't buy into the plugin stuff, which I don't. I avoid plugins because the plugins defeat the whole purpose of having because no longer portable, right? But you can use them, right? No longer portable. But I personally don't like them. I try to stick with the basics. And it's universally available. So even during certification exams. So, if you're working through a web browser and you can't see what you're working on, and you're having to fight with the web browser already because you're doing a certification test, it's a terminal-based thing, and you're already using some sort of stupid-ass web emulation, if you got TMUX in there, it just makes it that much less painful because you can split the screen up and stuff like that rather than to do whatever. I can't even imagine what you would do with just a single terminal. If you can't split the screen and you got to do two things at one time, and you want to check, maybe you want your documentation open in one window, which you can do, or you want a man page or be able to something like that, then yeah, you need this. You're not going to open up multiple windows in web terminal tabs in order to check out your different things. So there's just a million reasons to make TMUX the only window manager that you care about. And I cannot overemphasize that. We're going to still talk about how to configure your TMUX thing and all that, and I'll move on to different videos about that. But this was supposed to be sort of a seamless demo of why you might want to use the TMUX window manager. All you have to do is watch me or anybody who uses one for a short amount of time to really get a sense of why you might want to pick it up. And I mean, you can use it to make your own sort of monitoring station if you're a Kubernetes person. And I did this at work the other day where we had a bunch of things that were watching etcd health checks. We had some pings running in other windows, and it was all in this beautiful big split screen console with no annoying borders in between other than like the one, terminal border in between the whole thing. So that's my argument for using TMUX. Give it a shot. And we're going to proceed with some other videos about configuration and stuff like that. We're going to talk about, persistent sessions, right? I forgot about that. So TMUX also allows you to have a persistent session. I'm going to do a different video about persistent sessions though. So watch for that.